Udaipur gumate hangkor sakam nogo cherai busaroni bemar angmano tewi hoja khlainani bagai kaisa sibir songsajak district early intervention center ni lowai jimung by National Health Mission Tripurni Child Health ni samuno nawi a sibir songsai rijaka a salni sibiro 5 manjak phaika Chennai Apollo Child Super Specialist sakam nogni saknai kolnai Dr. Arun V te Dr. Ramkrishna borongno karaibu manjaka gumate hangkorne okra nai kolnai eba okra saknai kolnai Dr. Kamal Riang Dr. Sharmista Chaudhary akosong phaibi manjak phaibekha asalni sibirno tebi Dr. Kamal Riang shawikhana rikha cherai rogni asai drop ni simi heart disease rog tongkhangke abono daktino romimana ni bagai haste hafangte hakotor ni health mission tabuk Chennai ni Apollo Child Super Specialist Hospital by thansa angai samung khlainai khnai
We have to usually go to Chennai, but now they have come here to check our children for eligible patient for operation. তো এটা আমাদের খুবই আনন্দের তো আমাদের আনন্দের বিষয় যে ওনারা আমরা ইউজুয়ালি বলতাম যে আমরা চেন্নাই যাব বেলুর যাব কিন্তু ওরা এখানে এসে আমাদের এই সার্ভিসটা দিচ্ছেন ওরা দুজনেই কার্ডিওলজিস্ট এবং এটা আমাদের আনন্দের ব্যাপার খুশির ব্যাপার এবং এজন্য আমরা ওদেরকে ধন্যবাদ জানাই যদিও এটা স্কিম থেকে আছে আরবিএসকে স্কিম থেকে ওদের সঙ্গে মৌ করে এটা হয়েছে কিন্তু অনেক সময় কী হতো এইভাবে আমাদের দোরগোড়ায় আসতো না বিভিন্ন এজেন্সি একটা সময় ছিল যে আগরতলায় নিয়ে সবাইকে এগুলি স্ক্রিনিং করা হতো কিন্তু এইভাবে ডিস্ট্রিক্টে এসে স্ক্রিনিংটা কিন্তু প্রথমেই হয়েছে এরাই করছে এখন
Asalni Shakam Shibiro Apollo Child Super Specialist Hospital Child Heart Disease Expert Dr. Arun V. Shaka kahamke shaknaikol mung rezake cherai rogni heart disease hai bemar no kaham khlaibi mano khanai.
We are doctors from Apollo Children's Hospital. Myself, Dr. Arun, pediatric cardiologist, and this is Dr. Ramkishore, pediatric cardiologist. So we are both from Apollo Children's Hospital. We have a very good team of pediatric cardiologists in Apollo Children's. As you all might be knowing, we have already received patients from Tripura here. We have operated and have done device closures also. We have sent them back and the patients are doing well. So, as you are aware, this congenital heart disease is it's an important condition that we need to detect it very early, so that we are able to, if we are able to diagnose it early and treat it quickly, then the patient will be able to lead a good standard of good quality of life. Organizing this, the team here had done a great part in organizing and going to the field, collecting the patients, screening them, and getting them here. So it's been a work well done by the entire team of doctors in Gomadi Hospital. And so our duty is to just screen you and diagnose the condition so that you will get the treatment free of cost from the Tripura government sponsored in Apollo Children's Hospital in Chennai. So we are looking forward to doing the camp and hope we'll treat you well. Thank you.
Ashiviro Dr. Sharmista Chaudhary Shaka cherai rogni growth angya angmani dakti lengjagmani dud nungai tongmani jorawa moktre laimani eba lengjagai thangmani haimari cherai rogni oro nukja khahinke dakti no Dr. Furunani ongthung khani boshaka jora tongsani naijagai mankake abe mar dakti kheno hamai manu khani shakabo asalni sibiro bebagai khoroksni chi eva 70 jona cherai bosha rogno saknai koro jakha je cherai rogni sakhamia borokni operation Chennai ni Apollo Child Super Specialist Hospital rang nangya kheno khlaijaknai khani saklaijaka thangpai khlainani bagai hinke hakotor child health tang bedek ni bakhaktai subasu khlaijaknai bureau report kokhara